Hello all. In the previous class I have explained the basic concept, that is fundamentals of logic. So basic elements na explain ಮಾಡಿದೆ and how to construct a truth table. So in today's class let us discuss problems on that concept. So let us take first one. First problem is, so that P and Q are the two statements for which P implies Q. So this is a conditional proposition. P implies Q is a conditional proposition is false. The given statement is, two statements are given, P and Q are two statements for which the conditional proposition P implies Q is false. False under the value of this proposition is 0. Now we have to determine the truth value of these following compound propositions. First one input is P and Q. So truth value of P and Q, not P and Q. Q implies P, so reverse conditional proposition, and if not Q, then not P. If Q, then P. If not Q, then not P. So we have to find the truth value of these following propositions. What is the given proposition? Truth value input is if P, then Q, conditional proposition in baruto, for that truth value is 0. And in conditional proposition, only in the case 1 to 0 value is 0. In all the remaining cases, 0 to 1, 1 to 1, 0 to 0, all these values are true. Only the value 1 to 0, 1 implies 0 is 0. That means P implies Q is 0. So which is nothing but the value of P is equal to 1 and the value of Q is equal to 0. So the value of P is 1, Q is 0. Using this value, we have to find the truth value of the following compound proposition. From the given statement, P implies Q is 0. That means 1 implies 0 is 0. That means the value P is equal to 1. The truth value of Q is 0. That means P is true statement and Q is false statement. So let us take the first one. Using these two values, P is equal to 1. So given P implies Q is a false statement. That means since it is 0, which is a false statement, we have to find the truth value of the given compound propositions. So that means P implies Q is equal to 0, right? So only in the case 1 implies 0 is equal to 0. So therefore the value of P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 0. So using these two values, we have to find the truth value of all these terms. First one input is P, and this is disjunction. Disjunction means and P and Q is given. That means 1 and 0, which is equal to 0. And option is only in the case 1 and 1, the statement is true. So 1 and 0 is the value of the first one, P and Q is 0. Second one input is second one is not P and Q. If P is equal to 1, then not P is 0. P is equal to 1, then not P is 0 and Q is 0, and the value of 0 and 0 is 0. The truth value is false. Third one is if Q, then P, so which is implies Q value is 0 to P value is 1 and the value of 0 to 1 is 1. So that statement is true. And last one, fourth one input is if not Q, then not P. What is Q value? Q is 0. If Q is 0, then not Q is 1. Then P is 1, then not P is 0. Then 1 to 0 is equal to 0. So that means first statement which is a false statement because it is 0. Second one, it is also the false statement. Third one, 1. That means it is a true statement. Fourth one, so it is also the false statement. So these are the truth values of the given compound proposition. P and Q is false because 0 is not Q and not P and Q is false. If Q, then P is true. If not Q, then not P is false. So these are the results for the first one. If P and Q are, that means conditional proposition P implies Q is false. These are the required result. So next, take the second problem. So second problem is given that there are three propositions, that P, Q and R are three propositions with true values. So truth values already put together. P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1. P, Q, R are three propositions with the truth values 0, 0, 1. Then find the truth values of these 5 propositions. So 5 conditional or compound propositions are given. Using these truth values, we have to find the values of these propositions. So let's take the first one. P value is 0, Q value is 0 and R value is equal to 1. So the resultant term is 0 or 0 or R value is 1. P value is 0 and the symbol is disjunction, that means R symbol. So 0 disjunction with 0, again disjunction with R, that is 1. So 0 or 0 or 1. First value, the combined value of this one is 0 or 0 is 0. So R idaga, if any one of the value is true, then the resultant term is true. So eradu 0 agidre, then resultant truth value is 0. So 0 or 0 is 0 or 1, which results in 1. So the truth value of the first compound proposition is 1. Second one, P and Q and R. First we have to find this one. P value is 0 and Q value is 0 and R value is 1. 0 and 0 is 0 and 1 and 0 and 1 is 0. That means the statement is false. Next, third statement. If P, then Q and R. If P, then Q and R. So P value is, so the P value is given, that is 0. Then Q value is 0 and 1. So the value of 0 ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 0 and 1 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. Then 0 implies 0. So conditional proposition only in the case 1 to 0 is 0. 0 to 0 value is 1. Then the value of this compound proposition is 1, which is true. And the next one, P and R, if R then Q. This is if R then Q, this is an P value is 0 and R value is 1, then Q value is 0. So 1 to 0 value, this 0 remains as it is, and 1 to 0 value is 0, then 0 and 0 is 0. So again last one, if P then if Q then not R. So according to that, P value is 0, then Q value is 0, then not R is there, R is equal to 1, then not R is equal to 0, then 0 to 0. And in conditional proposition, 0 to 0 is 0, that means 0 to 0 is 1, 0, then 1. And the value of 0 to 1 is also equal to 1. That means the statement is true. So that means if P is a false statement, Q is a false statement, R is a true statement, then the conditional proposition, first one, P or Q or R is a true statement. P and Q and R is a false statement. If P, then Q and R is a true statement. P and if R, then Q is a false statement. If P, then if Q, then not R is a true statement. So these are the required result. So this is based on the given truth values. So these are the truth problems with the given truth values. Then, so next problem is there. So indicate how many rows are needed for the truth. So indicate how many rows are needed for the truth table of the given statement and find the value of the proposition. Find the value of this proposition. This is the given proposition. We have to find the value of that one. If P and R are true. So here there are totally 5 propositions are there. P, Q, R, S and T. So P, Q, R, S, T are the 5 statements. We have to find, first find out how many rows are there in the truth table. If we construct a truth table for this compound proposition, ಎಷ್ಟು rows ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Then second part is how many rows ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು, not required to construct the truth table. So ಎಷ್ಟು rows ಇದೆ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Second one, find the value of the same proposition if P and R are true. Under P and R are true values, that means with truth value 1, and Q, S, T are false value. Q, S and T are false value. So these are the given values. P and R are true, Q, S and T are false. First we have to find how many rows are there in the truth table containing these compound proposition. So we know that to construct a truth table, the table contains number of rows, that is 2 power of n rows. This 2 represent truth value as in result 0 to 0 and 1, which implies 2 values. Thus n is nothing but the number of propositions. ಎಷ್ಟು propositions ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು power ತಗೋತೀವಿ. If the compound proposition has n propositions, then it has the truth table has 2 power of n rows. So according to this problem, and this there are 5 propositions P, Q, R, S, T. So therefore, given proposition has given the compound proposition, compound proposition has 2 to the power of 5 rows. 2 power of 5, given proposition has 5 rows, 2 power of 5 rows, since it has 5 propositions, and already given that P is equal to 1, R is equal to 1, Q is equal to 0, S is equal to 0, and T is equal to 0. So Q 0, S 0 and T 0. Now we have to find the truth value of this proposition P or not Q, then not R and yes, then T. So this is the one proposition, so this is the another one. So given proposition has 2 power of 5 rows and already okay. So 2 power of 5 is nothing but 32. So 32 rows. For this proposition, P value is truth value find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The value of P is equal to 1, or this one not Q, Q is 0, then not Q is 1. So this is the one term. Then so here given that not R, R value is 1, not R is 0. This is and S value is 0. Then T value is 0. So these are the truth values for this proposition. So on simplifying this one, 1 R is given, 1 or 1 is 1. Then 0 and 0 is there, 0 and 0 is 0. Then 0. If 0, then 0, then the resultant term is 1 implies 0. And the value of in conditional proposition 1 to 0 is 0. That means the given compound proposition is a. So therefore the given proposition is the given proposition is a false proposition. So it has 2 power of 5 rows, and on simplifying with the given value, truth values of the propositions, so the resultant term is a false value. So these are the 3 problems. In the next video, I am going to explain some more problems. Thank you.